The killifish.
And why?
Because I just love looking at fish. They're so interesting with their slimy scales, and they're just so weird. Killifish. The ones with darker tails are the males, and the ones with lighter tails are the females. I like nature a lot, and I like building habitats and playing, and I like animals a lot. And in the nature reserve, I can see a lot of animals.
It's like a fun after activity for all the week that like you've done a lot of maybe schoolwork, and you get like just time to wind down, relax, and it's like you learn a lot of stuff here too. And it's just overall very fun. I always look forward to it.